If you want one guaranteed mark in GATE 2026 General Aptitude, then this video is for you. Every year, simple interest and compound interest questions appear in GATE, and the best part, these questions can be solved in under 30 seconds if you know the right concept. In this video, I'll teach you simple interest from zero, compound interest with shortcut, GATE level tricks, and we'll solve actual exam level questions. Watch till the end, your speed and accuracy will improve instantly. First, we'll see simple interest. Simple interest is calculated only on the original principal, not on the accumulated interest. Now, the formula for simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100, where P is the principal amount. P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time. Amount in simple interest is given by amount equal to principal plus simple interest. And there is a shortcut method to find the amount, that is amount is equal to P into 1 plus RT divided by 100. Now we'll see a simple practice question on simple interest. Rupees 5,000 at 10% for 2 years. What is the simple interest? So simple interest is equal to PRT divided by 100, that is 5,000, rate is 10 and time is 2 years, whole divided by 100, that is equal to rupees 1,000. Next we'll see the concept of compound interest. In compound interest, interest is calculated on principal plus previous interest. And the formula for compound interest is that is amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to T. And compound interest is calculated from this amount, that is amount minus principal. Here is a practice question on compound interest. Rupees 10,000 is invested at 10% for 2 years. What is the compound interest? So here first we'll find the amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to T, where P is given as 10,000 into 1 plus R by 100, that is 10%, which is 0.1, time is 2 years. This is 10,000 into 1.1 whole square, which is equal to 12100. Now we'll find the compound interest. Compound interest equal to A minus P, which is 12,100 minus 10,000, which is 2100 rupees. Now we'll see simple interest versus compound interest. Here is the difference formula. Difference between compound interest and simple interest is equal to P into R by 100 whole square. This is applicable only when the time is 2 years. So this is the simple difference formula. Now let's see a practice question. Rupees 5,000 is invested at 10% for 2 years. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So the difference is equal to P into R by 100 whole square, which is 5,000 into 10 by 100 whole square, that is rupees 50. This is the difference. Now we'll see the variable rate formula. That is, if for the first year the rate is R1. Rate for first year is R1. And in the second year the rate is R2. Then amount can be calculated using the formula P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. This is the variable rate formula. Here is a variable rate question. Rupees 8,000 is invested at 10% in the first year and 20% in the second year. Find the amount. So here R1 is 10% and R2 is 20. Therefore, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 divided by 100. That is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 into 1 plus 20 by 100, which can be written as 8,000 into 1.1 into 1.2, which is equal to rupees 10560. This is the final amount. Here are some quick practice questions. You can try it yourself and give the answer in the comment section. First one, rupees 6,000 is invested at 5% for 4 years. Find the simple interest. And second one is rupees 4,000 invested at 10% for 1 year. Find the compound interest. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and best of luck for GATE 2026.